2 egg guys. So, baking soda meron. Yan. May siyang itlog sa dako ng manok guys. Ito ng manok nga kulay liog. Oh, it's 2 eggs already guys. As you can see, twins. There are already twins inside the egg. So yan guys. 1 egg, 2 egg.
1 egg and 2 egg yolk.
1 big egg and 2 egg yellow. It means toto eggs. Yan guys. So yun guys. Share lang namin kung paano namin share. Yan, dyan may lagay after mo makuna ng egg. So ang tawag ito ay lumpia keke. Maliit na lumpia keke. Lumpia ke. Cheese stick. So lumpia ke ang tawag na guys. Yung sige wrap. Cheesecake nga lumpia ke. So yan na guys pag himo og ay paggamit na tong egg nga 2 eggs. So pero to guys, share lang ako guys.